Hello and welcome to the Company Interiors channel. This is a presentation of a project we did for Avison Young GVA. These are some of the working drawings. This is how our designers put schemes together to demonstrate to clients what we're proposing. It's a series of actual designs as well as just some artistic impressions. Now these, believe it or not, are actually CGI material. These are computer generated images. This is when we really sort of crunch down into what we're trying to show the client the space is going to look like. Yes, these are still CGIs. So let's get into some actual photography. First of all, starting off with how the site was started. 10,000 square feet in total. We stripped out the first floor, first of all moving the client down to the ground floor so they could have some swing space while the first floor was refurbished. We went about then stripping out everything on the first floor, then starting to reinstall ceilings, starting to put new flat LED low energy lighting panels in, new partitioning with double glazed partition glass areas. Manifestations were part of all the general design and pulling together all of the geometry of the whole site. It really does work quite well with the flooring, the angles of the manifestations on the glass, the patterns on the fabrics and the overall colour scheme. Manifestations are the images that were put on storage wall as well as glass. So we have lockers, we have breakout and T-point areas which are all themed, all the colours match, different flooring techniques where we have geometry of carpet tiles as well as hard flooring in the breakout facility. We have acoustic ceiling tiles, specialist lighting, and then it's all complemented by the furniture. The furniture was all from the Senator Group and from Alamure. Had some fantastic looking pieces and fantastic looking materials for both work surfaces as well as fabric designs and acoustic booths. We have a timeline which was actually the whole history of the client, and then a reception and breakout facility that was used by all of the staff so that they could have casual meetings before actually going into the offices. Thanks very much.